Welcome to Lourdes Academy and our virtual open house. Here we have Catholic Schools Week, which we're celebrating this week. My name is Stephen Dole and I'm the principal of the school. Along our tour today, you'll notice our sense of family, as well as what sets us apart the most, our diversity in our classrooms. Come on with me and we'll take a tour of our school. We'll now head into our first grade classroom. You'll notice on the wall a 75-inch Newline interactive board, of which we have in all of our classrooms to foster engagement and student understanding. You'll also notice students working on Chromebooks, of which we have enough to go one-to-one throughout our entire school. Our middle schoolers take their Chromebooks home each night. Welcome to third grade. Third grade is such an integral year as students shift their mindset from learning to read to reading to learn. You'll notice again our technology that's being utilized by students for engagement and understanding. At Lourdes Academy, we welcome students of all faiths and backgrounds. Through a variety of scholarships and financial aid, we meet the needs of all of our students. Now, we'll take a look at our cafeteria and see what's for lunch. Welcome to our school cafeteria, where students spend a part of each of their day. All students receive free breakfast and lunch, and meals are cooked fresh daily for all of our students. So now we'll take a look at our American Sign Language class offered to our middle school students in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. It's also offered periodically to our VPK through 5th grade students. As well, it aligns nicely with our weekly Mass, as Miss Stephanie, our American Sign Language teacher, signs all of the Masses at our weekend Mass. Also, throughout the week, we attend Mass on Thursdays for our school Mass, of which Miss Stephanie is here signing American Sign Language with all of our students. Welcome to Middle School ELA, where students in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade attend this class each day, along with social studies, math, religion, and science. You'll notice also that our classrooms are equipped for our distance learners with swivel robots, fostering engagement even from home. Behind me, you'll see students attending PE class. Every student in VPK through 8th grade attends PE multiple times each week, along with art and music as well. We offer a variety of sports opportunities outside of school to form student athletes in Catholic youth sports. Follow me and we'll continue our tour. The health and safety of our students is always our top priority. Especially during this time, we have taken many measures to ensure the safety and health of our faculty, staff, and each of our students. Specifically during this time, we have increased the hours of our school nurse. We have also input a filtration system that sanitizes and purifies the air in every classroom, along with wearing masks, checking temperatures multiple times throughout the day, and all of the safety and healthcare protocols that schools are following during this time. We hope that you've enjoyed finding out a little bit more about our school. We welcome you to join us in person for a tour. For more information on scholarship opportunities or more information about our school in general, please call our school office to schedule a tour at 386-252-0391, and we hope to see you real soon.